Hello, good morning, Claude.
Good
Thank you
morning.
for taking time for this Coffee with interview. But before we start, can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Yeah, sure. My name is Claude Vanbeveren. I'm the managing director of Tweddle Little of Europe, so Tweddle Group of Europe. Basically, we are a company that deals with information solutions, brings information solutions to our customers. We primarily work for the automotive, and we primarily work within the area or the scope of technical information. Technical information is actually just a fancy name for owner's information and service information. And service information is just how to repair, maintain, and service your products. So very simple. And I like to think more of us as being a user experience company where we deliver content to the right people.
And what kind of problems does your company typically solve for your customers?
So we are an information solution company, and I truly believe that we basically want to make technical information trouble-free. So, I mean, access to technical information shouldn't be the worry of our customers. We take that worry away, actually. And the main thing that we do is actually fairly simple from a conceptual point of view. From a practical point of view, it's much more difficult. And that's basically connecting the silos of content. So what we see with most of our customers is that they have a lot of content that are in disconnected silos. So they're all in silos. They contain a lot of information, but people can't access that information because they're under those silos, actually. And the only thing we do is actually put a layer on top, and that layer on top actually connects all the silos. And all of a sudden, the customer can actually consult the information that they already had. So I think that's actually a really important thing that we do. And then once we have connected all the silos, typically what we do as well is look at information gaps. Well, what are the gaps between the content or the information that is available and what the stakeholder or the consumer, could be an internal user or could be a customer, what they need? Well, what type of information do they need?
Yeah, okay, that's clear. And how do you approach the topic of digitalization at Tweddle Group?
A very good question. So first, digitalization is actually a way of thinking and a way of how you develop your information. Because a digitalization strategy for us is basically a information architecture strategy. It will look at how you structure information and which information you need actually to digitally being able to deliver that information to certain groups of people actually. So it's fairly simple. So, and to do that, I think if you look at it, I mean, so you have digitalization strategy actually is actually an information architecture strategy, and the building stone is a topic. So, and what is a topic? A topic is just a standalone information unit that delivers a message in itself, which means it's a very fancy terminology to say, I can read it and I can do something. No, I understand something or I'm being explained something. And the only thing we do is we take that topic, that little nugget of information that I can use in different contexts, and basically I'll put metadata on top of it. I said, you can use this specific nugget of information in this context. It's specific for this engine or for this type of user or for in these circumstances. No? I mean, so it's very simple. And what you're going to do now is when a consumer comes in, you will actually have building blocks. And with the building blocks, you can make a fairly custom solution that is still very affordable because it's custom made, but the basic building block is always the same actually. So I think doing that, can help the customer quite a bit actually. And I think it is the right and correct way actually to address digitalization.